In this video, you'll learn how to make a flyer in Google Docs. We'll go from a completely blank document to a simple polished flyer you can print or share online. I'll walk you through opening Google Docs, adding images, shapes, and text boxes, and then customizing the fonts and layout so everything looks clean and professional. Let's start by opening Google Docs. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your Google account in your web browser. Once you're in, navigate to Google Docs. On the main Docs page, click to create a new blank document. You'll see a plain white page that looks similar to a traditional word processor. This will be your flyer canvas. Before you go any further, it can help to give your document a name so you can find it later. Click the title field at the top left and type something descriptive like event flyer or sale flyer. Now we'll begin designing the flyer by inserting images, shapes, and text boxes. Think first about your main visual element. This could be a logo, a product photo, or a background image. To insert an image, go to the Insert menu at the top, then choose Image. From there, you can upload from your computer, search the web, or pull from your Google Drive. Once the image appears on the page, click it to resize or drag it into position. If you want the text to wrap nicely around the image later, click the image, then use the text wrapping options that appear under it, such as wrap text or break text. Next, let's add some shapes to help structure your flyer. Go back to the Insert menu, hover over Drawing, and choose New. In the drawing window, you can select shapes like rectangles or circles. These are useful for creating colored banners, boxes behind headlines, or call-out areas highlighting important information. Click to place a shape and then adjust the fill color, border color, and line thickness using the toolbar in the drawing window. When you're satisfied, click Save and Close, and your shape will appear in the document. You can drag it into place and resize it just like an image. To create text boxes, we'll use that same drawing tool. Again, go to Insert, then Drawing, and choose New. This time, click the text box icon in the drawing window. Click and drag to draw a text box, then type your content, such as the event title or a short description. Format the text inside the drawing using the font options at the top. When you're done, click Save and Close. The text box will appear in your flyer, and you can move and resize it freely. Using text boxes gives you more control over placement than just typing directly on the page. Once your images, shapes, and text boxes are on the page, it's time to customize fonts and layout. Click any text to adjust the font family, size, color, and alignment using the toolbar. Choose a bold, easy-to-read font for your main headline and a simpler, clean font for details like dates, times, and contact information. Pay attention to spacing. Add some white space between sections so the flyer doesn't feel crowded. Finally, refine the overall layout. Move elements around until the flyer feels balanced, with a clear focal point and logical flow from top to bottom. When everything looks good, you can preview, print, or download your flyer as a PDF to share.